Donato's, the best pizza.
Donato's Pizza on Highway 31 across from the Rave Theater. Dine in, carry out, or delivery. Donato's Pizza, celebrating 45 years of serving the best pizza.
Donato's, the best pizza. Donato's!
Alright, Rebels line up. It's second and about 9 yards to go for the first down on about the 6-yard line. And a little bit of a... Alright, who we got here?
Rebels with a handoff up the middle on that play. Scrambling forward for about 3 or 4 yards before he's brought down. 3rd and 6.
7 minutes, 18 seconds left on the clock. This could come down to the wire if the Rebels can just hold on to possession for a little while. Ideally, we'd like to see this offense produce some yardage. And hand off on the left-hand side. They keep
a handoff. Garrison Cherry around the corner.
What's going on with that?
Still on his feet, but great pursuit by the Raiders on that one.
Not able to gain on the play.
Maybe a loss of a couple yards on that play. That's going to bring up 4th down at about 6 or 7 yards, and I am certain that they will elect to punt. So they turn it over. Maybe eat up a couple of minutes off the clock. Have a change of possession there. 6:44 left in the 4th quarter.
And 5-yard line, not even the 35.
All right, we got the Raiders starting off on about the 34-yard line. Good field position. Done a nice drive on the last
44 seconds left on the clock.
Number 63, Timothy.
And come around the left-hand side. It's King Jr.
Over on the left-hand side.
Just about 1 yard.
Got a good stop.
Quan Ball got in there to make the tackle. We keep seeing him again and again and again. Looks like Andrew Tillman may have been on there on the tackle as well. Nice play. Nice defense by Quan Ball. And nice assist by Andrew Tillman. Very, very good defense there. Oh, and a little early movement by Nicholas Foster in the backfield. And there's still 5 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. It's 2nd and 15. This explosive offense certainly able to pick up that 15 yards. And good penetration, but some hard running.
Big hard run there by Nicholas Foster.
Correction, 69. Looks like Eli Sawyer on the tackle. Number 5 also.
Eli Sawyer. Several other Rebels in there, right up the middle.
Like Graham McLean able to get in on that one as well.
Big 3rd down possession. P.J. King getting his team set.
And handoff.
Again, up the middle. Ran into.
Good penetration. Who was that on
good penetration there?
By number 18, that's Ben Murphy.
Ben Murphy.
Murphy in there on the tackle.
First one in with a contact on that with a great stop.
Nice defense by Ben Murphy. It's a gutsy call by this Raiders coach. And they do the quarterback keeper around the right-hand side. That's number 63, P.J. King. He can certainly get it. Oh, and they brought him down in time. Forced out of bounds by Garrison Cherry and Graham McLean.
A little short on that one.
Garrison Cherry and Graham McLean
Rebels ball
have saved the night, possibly for the Rebels, with that tackle right there. Garrison Cherry and Graham McLean forcing P.J. King out of bounds. A very good, very fast, very capable quarterback for the Raiders, and they were able to stop him. A great game, but not quite enough for the first down. It's still 6-0. Oh, and a false start. What a bad way to start. And the Rebels line up. It's still first down. 15 yards to go. 3 minutes, 48 seconds on the clock. They're on the 25-yard line. And they do a quick count. Quarterback keeper around the left-hand side. A little good tackling.
Quarterback keeper, Cole Johnson, scrambling ahead for a couple yards there. Cole Johnson getting his team set.
And they do the quick count there. Handoff to Eli Sawyer. No room to run up the middle. He cuts it around the left-hand side.
Met up out of Cole Johnson again.
Right around the left-hand side. Sean Smith, he is wrapped up.
Wrapped up for a loss there.
Big play.
Nicholas Foster with a big stop on that play. 35 here.
Number 63,
PJ King
on
the center.
First and 10, minute and 20
Moving
seconds.
the ball up the middle
right
there.
Up the middle to number 69.
We got big Nicholas Foster there with a great run.
Nicholas Foster, their power runner, right up the middle. He picks up
a good
6 yards on the game. And the clock is still ticking while they discuss something there on the field. It's not clear. They said, hey.
Looks like a fumble on the play.
Minute and 2 seconds. They stopped the clock. Oh, referees are still looking at it.
Oh, we got a lucky break there by the Rebels. Good play.
The Rebels got the break they needed. This will probably, barring a major catastrophe, seal the win for the Rebels.
Away there for the Rebels, under center.
And going up the middle with the quarterback.
Going right up the middle there.
Oh, and he's still running.
Good scramble there.
There we go. A pickup of 8 yards.
Cole Johnson.
That's going to bring us second. And quarterback keeper up the middle again. Cole Johnson with a gain of another 4 or 5 yards. That's a first down for the Rebels. And
Cole Johnson again.
Keeps it up the middle.
That play, runs it up the middle.
Running out 4, 3,
and that'll do
2, 1.
Great job by both teams. Excellent young men on both sides of the ball.
The Rebels get
their
first win.
We have the Rebels coming away 6-0.
And you see that confidence build in this young team. The Rebels win it 6-0 tonight, as the Raiders just have a difficult time putting it all together. Had one nice drive all the way down to the 5-yard line, and the Rebels with an incredible goal line stand there to stop them. Nice game for the Rebels. Tough break for the Raiders, the very capable Raiders who produced yardage all night long, but couldn't seem to get it in the goal line. The Rebels win it 6-0.
Parents, we'd like to thank you for bringing this fine young.
Hey guys, get your helmet off. Listen. What do y'all like, man? It's a lot more fun to win than it is to lose, isn't it?
Yeah!
Woo! You know, the only difference is, hey, we tackled better, we blocked better, we made fewer mistakes. That's the only difference in the outcome. That's it.
I tell you what, I am very proud of the way we tackled. I mean, we had guys just banging in there. I mean, we weren't going to let them break loose. We really did a great teamwork on defense. Offense, we did a lot better. We moved the ball, but we still got a lot of work to do. We still have to work on blocking downfield, because we missed out on a couple of touchdowns if we'd have just made a block. But that's okay. That's okay.
Well, you didn't do that, did you?
No, I think one of the Hoover players. Oh, you said back eight, everybody? Don't do that, Philip.
That's not good stuff, buddy. We don't do that. Come on now. That's not what we're out here for.
Zip it. All right. Everybody feel good? Sean, you healthy? You feel good?
He's got a bad headache. Anybody got any Advil or anything?
I don't know. He had some big hits out there. All right, guys, let's get up here and let's do the Lord's Prayer real quick.
Come on.
Can I start?
You gonna start, man?
Oren can start it. Oren has first.
Oren, you're starting.
All right, listen. Come on over here, Oren. Right here by me. Let's get a hand in there. All right, here we go.
Start up.
Our Father,
Our Father,
who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Power, and glory. Amen. All right, let's get into the Rebels.
I've never started.
You know what? I'm going to start it tonight. 1, 2, 3, We're practicing tomorrow, guys.
What are you going to do after that great win?
I'm going to Donato's Pizza.
All right. Donato's Pizza on Highway 31 across from the Rave Theater. Dine in, carry out, or delivery. Donato's Pizza, celebrating 45 years of serving the best pizza. Grant, how do you make all those tackles? What's your secret? All right, but you got
Donato's, Vestavia's favorite pizza.